So you were growing up in the 30s. So do you remember the Depression and people being unemployed?
Yes, but we didn't know. Like, I remember wearing my older brother's knickers. They had knickers for ski pants. What did I know? Nothing. I did not know. The business we had in Jackson Heights was really a very upper class neighborhood, and we were just in the store. And I remember the school I went to, PS 69, and I became a Girl Scout or a Brownie, and they were all getting blouses and skirts and my mother couldn't afford it, but she sewed something, and I can see her running up to the school and giving me the skirt and the badge that she made for me. And that was my mother. And I did not mind. Some of my friends had servants. No, I did not mind that.